Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Tim from ViBO Music. I am here to give you guys a quick video on two patterns of our pentatonic scale that will allow you to play or solo over any song in a major or minor key. So I'm going to show you the patterns, and then I'm going to show you how to move them around, and change the key you're in. So they're both two very, very popular patterns. The first one, we're going to start, pattern number one, we're going to start with our first finger on our 6th string at our 5th fret. And we are going to assign each finger to a fret. So first finger would be on our 5th fret, 6th string. Second finger, 6th fret, 6th string. Third finger, 7th fret, 6th string. And fourth finger, 8th fret, 6th string. So we're going to just do 1, 4, go down a string, 1, 3, down a string, 1, 3, down a string, 1, 3, down a string, 1, 4, 1, 4. So those are your fingers you would use. The frets would be 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8. So that is pattern number one. Pattern number two, we are going to, same thing, we're going to assign each finger to a fret, but we're going to start with our first finger at our 7th fret now, so 2 frets up. So first finger at 7, second finger at 8, third finger at 9, and fourth finger at 10, all on your 6th string. This time we're going to start with our second finger on our 8th fret. So this time we're going to go 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4. Okay? If we were doing the frets, it would be 8, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 9, 8, 10, 8, 10. Now, with those two patterns, as long as you know what key you're in, you can move them around and play in any major or minor key. So, let me show you, on our 6th string, let's go over just the notes on our 6th string really fast. So this would be E, right? F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, and E. Now, pattern number two, pattern number one, the first pattern that we did, wherever we put that first finger on that 6th string determines what minor key we are playing in. So if we are playing a G minor, if we were playing in the key of G minor, it'd be E, F, F sharp, G. We would put that pattern number one there. Now I'm playing in the key of G minor. Now anywhere you put that, if you want to be in B flat minor or A sharp minor, same thing. E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, right? Or B flat minor, add that first pattern. Now I'm in the key of B flat minor, right? Now pattern number two, the second pattern we did we started it at 8, right? 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, right? Wherever we put that first note with our second finger, that's whatever major key we are in. So we started at C. This would be, if we were playing in the key of C major, we could play along with anyone in the key of C major, right? Or if we want to be in G major, E, F, F sharp, G, put pattern number 2 there, and you are playing in the key of G major. So pattern number 1 determines minor. You just have to figure out where you're at, and then pattern number 2 determines major. So I hope you all learned something. I hope you have a good day.